D&S Manufacturing, we're a contract manufacturer. We provide goods and services for the heavy equipment industry, such as railroad, defense, agriculture, and construction. Epicor supports our organization from end to end: sales, purchasing, operations, execution, planning, engineering, shipping and receiving. We've been very successful using Epicor to get at the data, to use that to make sound business decisions, to make them accurately, to make them quickly, and to do it at a very low cost.
Our customers want to know when they give us an order or when they're presenting us with a project, can we deliver when we say we're going to deliver? So the best example that I could give you would be that if a customer comes to us and says we have a very large project that we know is going to take a large amount of resources, both people and machines, we're able to take that information from that part of that project and we can enter it into Epicor and we can do a what-if analysis. We can run MRP overnight. It'll come back and tell us, you know, here are your constrained work centers. Here's when you could start producing the part, and does that match what the customer wants?
We're using Service Connect in just about every aspect of our business here on a day-to-day basis. Whether that's inventory control, whether that's production and scheduling, job creation, guiding quality workflows, integrating with RFID inventory control systems, integrating with third-party nesting softwares, receiving, creating shipments, automating purchase order entries, automating order entries. There probably isn't one aspect of our organization from quote to cash that isn't being leaned, guided, or otherwise enhanced by Service Connect.
The KPIs that we use that Epicor helps us provide to the operation on the operational level would include internal on-time delivery, which means that for each operation, what are they scheduled to get done in a day and what they're able to complete. The amount of scrap and rework, or DMRs in our case, how that's impacting production and what those quantities are. And those are probably the two biggest ones that we use daily.
Epicor has allowed me, regardless of what type of process it is, I've been able to mold that particular process to meet the business requirements here at D&S without having to go and mess with base code, which is a huge deal because as we upgrade the product, these customized solutions that we've come here to make our business more profitable and more lean aren't disrupted.
We are able to provide instruments to the maintenance personnel, shop floor personnel, supervisors, via laptops, handheld devices that gives them real information, real time when they need it.
Mobility is enabling our business here at D&S to become more agile and react in a shorter time frame. We can make last-minute changes to sales orders, to jobs, translate that information to the floor much faster and allow operators to see that and then be able to react. Or they can also see when things aren't right and then being able to talk back up the chain to the stakeholders that need to change that data to get what the customer really needs in the end.
One of the biggest surprises I have since we started using Epicor would be our ability to close a month from a financial standpoint. Previously, I used to have to wait till 6 weeks or 8 weeks after that month closed. Some of that may have been the processes that were non-Epicor related. All I can tell you is that we're able to close a month within 1 to 2 days now. So I have the information I need on a previous month, the second or third of the following month. That's huge because I'm able to share that information with our employees. We are an ownership, an ESOP company. Our employees own the majority of the shares in our company, and to be able to share those financials with them is really important.
Epicor also helps us meet daily business challenges by giving us feedback about how we're doing. So whether we want to see daily margins, on products we ship that day, if we want to look at how we're doing with regards to our customers and on-time delivery, we can see that. We can track scheduling issues on the floor live when we're looking at earned hours at particular resources that we're using across the organization. We can come up with alternative plans. Let's say we're struggling for capacity in a particular area due to down equipment. Epicor does a great job of alerting everybody, key stakeholders in those processes, and then we can come up with an alternative plan.
Moving into the future, it'll continue to be very important for our customers because lead times continue to shrink. We continue to have demands from our OEM customers that require shorter lead times, faster deliveries, more flexibility. For our type of business, being a job shop, that is critical. Epicor has provided us a foundation, both today and looking into the future, to help us fulfill our mission statement, which is to provide a secure, financial, stable company for our employee owners and be able to meet the commitments to our customers.